Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can get them over at japancrate.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And yeah, they're full of interesting Japanese food items. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. So the first thing you see when you crack these boxes open is this pamphlet, and it's got everything you need to know about what's inside, cooking instructions, and the names of everything, because unless you know how to speak Japanese or read Japanese, you're kind of in the dark for how to prepare them. So don't lose this, and as you can see here, this is the February 2020 Umai crate. Next up, we have a recipe card. They've been putting these in here for quite a while now, and they've got recipes that you can make using stuff that's in the box. Alright, so as usual, what I'll do is I'll just grab random packs as soon as my hand runs across them and then give you information from the pamphlet about each one. I believe this is Higashi Maru. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. And it is Kagoshima Spicy Tonkotsu Ramen. One thing you should know is that character right there means spicy. Kagoshima ramen is as popular as other ramen from different parts of Japan. The pork bone soup stock, chicken ribs, noodles, and various toppings are what make it particularly notable. This ramen features these elements with a kick of spiciness. Oh, here's a classic. This is Itomen Champonmen. Champon is a noodle dish regional to Nagasaki and typically served with seafood, cabbage, and carrots. Take a guilt-free trip to ramen heaven with the salt-free noodles in this dish. Here's another one from Itomen. This is Ki Soba. Enjoy a classic soba dish this winter with this bowl flavored with shrimp, green onion, and chili peppers. This bowl will satisfy your taste for something warm and umami during the cold season. Wow, a lot of Itomen this month. That's cool. This is Premium Yakisoba. Yakisoba translates to fried buckwheat and is a popular dish in Japan, along with ramen and udon. This fried noodle dish offers a lesser guilt approach with the salt-free noodles. I love how a lot of these varieties mention guilt when you eat noodles. Don't feel guilty, whatever noodles you like to eat, okay? Alright, here's an Itsuki variety. This is Agodashi Nyumen. Nyumen is a thin udon that's usually eaten as a hot soup. This is a powdered soup with a well-balanced blend of Japanese baked chin, a type of flying fish, kelp, and bonito. And here's another one. I still think this is Higashi Maru. If it's not, you're going to see a thing at the bottom say, "No dude, you're wrong," and then say what it is. This is Kagoshima Tonkotsu Ramen. So the first one was spicy Kagoshima Tonkotsu. This is non-spicy, so you get both kinds of tonkotsu. Similar to the Kagoshima spicy tonkotsu, but not spicy. Yeah, there you go. Next up, we've got a My Friend variety. This is a Chige Hot Ramen. Chige Hot Pot is often eaten in winter in Japan, so this is the perfect dish to make your season warmer. The soup also packs a spicy flavor with the soup base and noodles and a similar taste to kimchi. So if you're looking for something to bring that nice and exciting kick to your taste buds, you will really enjoy this soup. Finally, we've got Yamamoto Flour Milling Company with their Kasame Age Udon. Kasame udon is one of two dishes that uses fried tofu as a garnish, while kitsune udon has a deep-fried tofu soaked in sweet sauce. Kasame udon has a deep-fried tofu that has been toasted. Now it's time for the bonus item. This month's bonus item is Kyoto flour fu. Fu is a Japanese dry baked wheat gluten. This is a healthy food rich in protein and minerals. It can be used as a meat substitute. This Kyoto flour fu resembles colorful and beautiful flowers. Bring rich flavors to your dish by adding this. Alright, so in the February 2020 Umai crate, you get guilt-free champon, guilt-free yakisoba, guilty udon, guilty tonkotsu, guilty naughty spicy tonkotsu, a little flour fu, key soba, agodashi Newman, a visit from my friend, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Japan Crate for shooting this Umai crate over. If you want to get one, go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.